Unveiling Vienna's hidden treasures. Did you know that Vienna is home to hidden treasures that most tourists never get to see? While everyone's busy snapping photos at Schönbrunn Palace or enjoying coffee at Demel, we're about to dive deep into the secrets of this enchanting city. Let's uncover these hidden gems together. Unveiling Vienna's hidden treasures. Explore the city like never before. In this video, we'll explore secret treasures of Vienna that reveal a side of the city most tourists never experience. These are the places that locals cherish and frequent. From hidden courtyards brimming with history to tucked-away cafes where artists once gathered, we're going to see it all. So, whether you've been to Vienna before or you're planning your first visit, this video will show you a whole new side of the city. Here's the thing. Many visitors to Vienna miss out on unique and hidden spots that offer a deeper understanding of the city's culture and history. But we're here to change that. In this video, we'll show you where to go to experience the authentic heart and soul of Vienna, places you won't find in most travel guides. Let's start with our first secret spot, the Freyung Passage. Tucked away in the Palais Ferstel, this beautiful passageway is a relic of 19th century Vienna. It's home to quaint shops, a historical cafe, and one of Vienna's oldest chocolatiers, where you can indulge in decadent pralines. Next up, we have the Augarten Porcelain Factory, a place where handcrafted porcelain has been made for over 300 years. Take a tour to see how these exquisite pieces are created, and don't forget to visit the small museum that few people know exists. Vienna's courtyards are full of surprises, and one of my favorites is the hidden garden at Palais Liechtenstein. It's a serene escape from the bustling city streets. Bring a book, relax by the fountain, and soak in the peaceful atmosphere. And here's a truly special find, the Third Man Museum. This museum is dedicated to the classic film The Third Man and its ties to post-war Vienna. It's a treasure trove of memorabilia and a fascinating glimpse into the city's past. Hungry yet? Let's head to Cafe Hawelka, a small, iconic cafe that's been around since 1939. It's a beloved spot for locals and a hub for artists, where the menu hasn't changed in decades. Our final hidden treasure is we've saved one of Vienna's most breathtaking secrets for last. This ancient church, dating back to the 8th century, offers a panoramic view of Vienna that few people know about. Welcome to St. Stephen's Cathedral. While millions visit this iconic cathedral every year, this is the true essence of the city, captured in a single view. Vienna is a city of enchanting secrets, each one waiting to be explored. Every hidden treasure offers a unique glimpse into the city's rich heritage and culture. So next time you're in Vienna, venture beyond the usual tourist spots and experience these hidden gems for yourself. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an adventure. And let us know in the comments, which hidden treasure are you most excited to visit? Thank you for watching, and see you on our next journey.